Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. Today I want to talk about what's fortunately a rare occurrence, but it does happen, and when it does happen, it's a large impact, and that's a life insurance company refusing to pay a death benefit. So refusal to pay is much more common in other areas of insurance like car insurance, home insurance, even health insurance. It's rarer in life insurance, but it certainly happens. And typically, the life insurance company will point to maybe they'll allege some sort of misrepresentation in an application. They'll say that premiums weren't paid. There's a few things that they point to pretty frequently. So I want to give you 5 steps to keep in mind if you're in the unfortunate situation of if you're a beneficiary and the life insurance company denies a death benefit. So number one, read the denial letter really carefully. They're probably going to explain in that denial letter exactly what it is that they're pointing to, whether it's death for some sort of excluded reason or a misrepresentation or non-payment of a premium. You're going to want to understand what that is. Step number two, and this is really important. You have the denial letter. You want to keep that safe. You also want to start to put together all the other documentation that you have related to the insurance policy. So if you have the original policy, great. If you have the application, great. Any communications that you have with the insurance company or the deceased had with the insurance company, keep that together and keep it all organized because it's really helpful to fight a denial if it comes to that. So number three, don't take the insurance company's word for everything that they have in the denial letter. They make mistakes. Sometimes they obviously have incentives not to pay, so they may be looking at things in a more negative light than is maybe justifiable in this situation. So don't take everything they say at face value. Number four, if you have a denial and it looks like you're going to have to contest it, don't make any statements to the insurance company or write them anything or sign anything without consulting with an attorney that's familiar with life insurance first. It's kind of like, what they say with an arrest. You should assume that these things are going to get used against you. So you want to make sure to have an attorney look over any further communications or anything you sign just to make sure that there's not an unforced error or that you're signing away rights that you don't intend to sign away. Five, and the final step, it's best at this point to consult an attorney. This is an attorney that's familiar with life insurance. This is not an instance, especially if there's large dollar amounts involved. This is not an instance where you want to do it yourself advice. There's potentially a lot of money at stake. There's a lot of technicalities with life insurance, and you want to speak to an attorney to this way give yourself the best chance possible to claim that death benefit, which you may be rightfully entitled to. So those are the 5 initial steps that we would recommend. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe. There'll be a lot more videos on the law and life insurance. Thanks.